So here are the perfect settings for OBS Studio's recording. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open OBS Studio. Go to Settings from the bottom right corner, click on Output, Recording, type Standard. The EE recording path is the location where your recording saves. Matroska Video MKV recording format. This is best for recording long videos. X 264 video encoder is good for high-end PC with the following settings. Rate control, CRF 20. CPU usage preset. I use very fast. You can set it to super fast and ultra fast if your PC lags while recording. Higher is equal to less CPU. Now go to audio, sample rate, 48 channels, stereo. Now go to video and set the resolution to 1080p 1920 x 1080 fps. Hotkeys. These are the keys you can set to start, stop recording and for many other functions. These are the perfect settings for OBS Studio's recording.